Welcome to the video Increasing Productivity using the Infinity Premise Enclosure. Let's take a look at a side-by-side installation comparison. On the left, we'll be using the Infinity Premise 994 enclosure with a 4-way TrueFlex splitter. On the right is a traditional enclosure with a 4-way horizontal splitter. The Infinity Premise enclosure allows the TrueFlex 4-way to snap in, where with traditional enclosures, the splitter needs to be screwed in, taking additional time. The cables in the Infinity Premise enclosure slide into the cable retention slots, allowing quick installation, but also allow the installer to work on the cables outside of the enclosure. The quick mount rail allows the splitter to snap out, so the installer can easily connect the cables to it. Once the cables are tightened, the splitter snaps back into the quick mount rail and the cables slide back into the cable retention slots and the installation is complete. With this simple installation, using a TrueFlex 4-way splitter and the Infinity Premise enclosure, the installer saved 2.5 minutes, which could be used towards things such as additional customer education.